My dear students of class 8 of Jalakati Govt High School, this is Biplab Kumar Das, assistant teacher. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. Our today's lesson is narration. Now question, what is narration? What the speaker says is known as narration or speech. Narration is divided into two classes as indirect and direct. Okay. Dear learners, read the lines with great attention. The line A, this part is called reporting verb. And this part is called reported speech. This part is called reporting verb, and this one is reported speech. Now question, what is reporting verb? The verb that introduces the words of the speaker is called reporting verb. And the code words within the inverted comma are called reported speech. Dear learners, read the line A again. The boy says, comma inverted comma, I read in Jalakati Govt High School. Again, read the line again. Okay. The sentence A, the speech of the boy. The sentence A, the speech of the boy is quoted in the exact words of the speaker. In the sentence A, the speech of the boy is quoted in the exact words of the speaker. Now we can say the speech quoted in the exact words of the speaker is called direct speech. It is written within inverted comma. Okay. In the sentence B, the speech is reported. I repeat, the speech is reported in a narrative form. The speech is reported in a narrative form, the exact words of the, without putting the exact words of the speaker. So we can say the speech reported in a narrative form without putting the exact words of the speaker. So this is direct speech. And this one is indirect speech. Fine. We have noticed a significant change in the sentence B. Punctuation marks has been omitted and that is introduced. In sentence A, inverted comma, the actual words of the speaker has been omitted in the sentence B, and conjunction that is introduced after the reporting verb, except interrogative and imperative. Except interrogative and imperative. Beginning with verb. একটা যোগ হবে কিন্তু ইন্টারোগেটিভে যোগ হবে না এবং ইম্পারেটিভে শুধুমাত্র ভার্ব দিয়ে যে বাক্যগুলো শুরু হবে সেটাই যোগ হবে। নেক্সট, there is always full stop after the reported speech. Now general rules for converse. General rules for conversion. There are certain rules that have to be observed in changing direct into indirect. They are equally applicable to all kinds of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamative. Rule 1. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, there is no change in the tense of reported speech. রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব যদি প্রেজেন্ট অথবা ফিউচার টেন্সে হয় তাহলে রিপোর্টেড স্পিচের টেন্সের কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে না। লেটস সি এক্সাম্পল। says I am well. I repeat, if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, there is no change in the tense of reported speech, but the pronouns are changed according to the sense. Consider রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব যদি প্রেজেন্ট অথবা ফিউচার টেন্সে হয় তাহলে রিপোর্টেড স্পিচের টেন্সের কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে না, কিন্তু প্রোনাউনগুলো পরিবর্তন হবে কিন্তু টেন্স। You will say I am you will say that he is This is present indefinite tense. This is also present indefinite tense. Rule 2. If the reported speech is in past form, the tense of the reported speech will be changed. Sorry, I repeat. If the reporting verb is in the past form, the reported speech will be changed according to the corresponding past form. Dear learners, if you follow this class, you will be benefited. Thank you.